We're going to do a brief video on NIO Stock Analysis. We've got a daily chart here of NIO for you. In a minute, we're going to show you some algorithms. They generated entry prices. This has got a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, 200-day moving average in blue. And as you can see, we discussed it yesterday. This stock's in a deep bear market sell-off, put in a bottom yesterday at about $8.38, currently getting some profit taking. In other words, they're covering their shorts and rallying the stock up aggressively. The stock's up today 9%, and it's currently $10.31. Daily range is $9.53 and $10.39 is the high on volume of 55 million shares. Average volume is 46 million shares, so it's on track to do another tremendous day for volume. Let's take a real good look at this stock again. We looked at it yesterday. As you might imagine, it's come back up here and filled this gap. It's filled about half of it. I expect it's going to fill all of it. That'll put it up in the mid, if it hasn't already. It looks like 10.39. So this, to fill that gap, we're probably going to have to come up here to about 10.41, and the high today is 10.39. So it's almost filled it within a couple pennies of that gap. This chart is not showing that, but the reality of this stock is it's still in a deep bear market decline. So I'm expecting this stock to maybe rally a hair more, not much, but a hair more today, and then probably sell off here in the next 2 days, 3 days, all the way back down here to the $9 range. Again, my opinion for entertainment purposes only. Let's try to take a look at an hourly chart here real quick. You can see we have some very shaky covering, a bounce from the bottom, some sideways movement, and a very rapid, in my opinion, short covering move up to this 20-hour moving average. This stock trades like that, and it's not really, we were talking about it yesterday, it's not really I hate to say it, but it's not a pretty stock or a beautiful stock to watch trade. Some of them are incredibly elegant the way they trade. This is not one of those stocks. Not being negative, just saying this stock tends to do things very quickly, in a much less fluid fashion than most stocks that trade this kind of volume. So reality is this stock's already getting overbought, in my opinion, on a short-term move, certainly on an hourly chart, and we're due for a pullback on an hourly chart to about 9.25 right this second. My opinion for entertainment purposes only, but that's what I'm looking at. So I think that this stock is going to maybe go up a little higher and then sell back down, and then we have to see if it catches support in the $9 area. If it comes down to the $9 area and catches some support, then that's a different story. Maybe this is the bottom of this $8.38 is the bottom, and maybe we'll rally from here. I don't want to be negative on this stock, but the reality of it is it's still in a bear market. So that's my short-term prognosis for this stock. Let's take a look and see what RBM Research says about it. We put out 190 stocks every morning before 7 a.m. with 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. And for this particular stock, NIO has no entry prices this morning, and that's the case about 80% of the stocks today. The algorithm came out with no entry prices for it. Let's take a look and see what the trend following systems have for it. We've got a 30-day trend following system here, and it's got NIO listed as a short at $10.03. The stock's currently at $10.30, so it's within short territory. Again, for entertainment purposes only, you trade at your own risk, but for this particular algorithm on a trend following system, 30-day hold, get in today, get out at the end of 30 days at a loss, or take your profit sooner if you can get them. And again, you can only use these for entertainment, can't use them for anything else, but it is a good reference point to check in every day and take a look and see what we think. And we think short at $10.03 today for entertainment purposes only. Today's the 25th. So if you'd like to see our entry prices every day, you can get them absolutely no cost, no credit card required at rbamresearch.com. We cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all updated by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Link in the description below. Just go over there, sign up at rbamresearch.com with your email, and get instant access to everything I just mentioned. All for entertainment purposes only, including my commentary and the entry prices. Can't use them for anything but entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and of course, you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.